Hello crafties, welcome back to another video. My name is Infiniti, and if you don't know, if you're new here, I'm the face and the voice behind all the content on this channel. Today I am back because, as promised, I need to do the giveaway announcement. If you don't know, after I came off a hiatus, I had reached my 750 subscriber milestone, which I was super excited for, and therefore I did another giveaway for the channel. So this format that I'm recording in is a little different from the way I've done things times past. I'm kind of experimenting with it. I kind of like it, kind of up in the air about it. And let me know down in the comments below after the end of the video whether you guys think it's cool or not. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to get in. So today I'm going to be using the YouTube comment picker for this. I did it last time, but I had a little hiccup there. So let's see if I can close that off. Alright, so basically this is what it looks like. I wonder if you guys can see that. Is it clear? It's not clear. This is going to be so interesting. That is not going to... Oh, it did clear up. Cool. Okay, so up here I have the link to the video, and then of course the keyword was happy making. So I'm going to filter my comments like that. I'm just going to hit get YouTube comments. And I have had 4 entries, so that's cool. So now I'm just going to hit the start button. Please focus. I'm going to hit the start button down here. And okay, so our first winner is Jeannie's Crochet Creations. Awesome. Congratulations. And then I'm going to go ahead and don't forget my email, my contact email should be down in my description below. So don't forget to contact me so you can claim your prize. I look forward to mailing them out. Now I'm going to get to winner number 2. And this is so weird. And Connie Rodriguez. I think that's one of my new followers from Instagram. Welcome to the channel and congratulations. Like I said, don't forget to contact me via the email in the description below. I'll be sure to supply that, and I'm looking forward to giving out and mailing out my gifts. If you guys don't remember what I was giving away, I'm probably gonna focus my camera on my own face. I'm probably gonna pop a picture of it to the side here so you guys can remember. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that, because I'll be doing more giveaways in the future, and I'm looking forward to doing those as well, and maybe we'll have more entries that time. So until next time guys, happy making.